What is going on, my Atomic Truck Works friends? So check out this 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This came in just to be freshened up a little bit. It had some minor blemishes over the wheel wells for some rust repair. And then he wanted it actually cleaned up on the interior as well. So the inside was ripped up really bad. The perforation was completely shot. The side panels were completely gone. So we actually sewed in new ones and then went through and re-dyed all the seats for him. So it looks really nice. For an 08, the tan is always known to be very dirty and hard to keep clean. And then we also went through and cleaned up the steering wheel for him, so everything's fresh and nice.